This is Allie, and I wanted to take you guys on a little walk. So, as you can see, we got a pretty big house there, and in the next video, I'm going to give you a tour of it. So, actually, there's nothing really that exciting there, but I'm just going to show you anyway, because, I don't know, other people did it, why can't I? So, here's this big wheel, and then a clothesline that nobody ever uses, and then trees. This driveway is really hard to drive up, and that's why we are moving shortly after New Year's. So you'll get a new place to explore after that. And you take a walk down it. All the trees, the rocks. I have like so many YouTube notifications right now, and I don't even know how to check them. It just says like 132 or something. And I'm like, oh my god, I need to figure out what these are, but I can't. Or maybe I can. So say in the comments if there is a way how to do it, because I feel like they might just be comments on videos that you liked or something, and I don't know how to go back to those videos without like searching for them and then scrolling through the millions and millions of comments, and then I'd forget most of the videos. Alright, I think we're at a stopping point. I think this is honeysuckle right here. I can't tell, but it has red berries on it. It's like 11 in the morning. And yeah, I'm just getting up. Big leaf. Tear it off. Throw it! That was lame. See my foot? That's where it was the whole time. And then there. Lame. I'm trying it again. Pick it up. Chuck it as far as you can. Seriously? Got it. I think I'm going to start walking back up. Slowly. Maybe I'll go down just a little bit further. There's the road that nobody ever goes down. Our neighbors up there. See? Maybe I should turn the flash on. That doesn't make much of a difference. Never mind. And I think I'll just stomp this rock pile and start heading back up. My legs are strong, but the rest of me is weak. So, not really sure what to do about that, and this hill is really steep. So, like, if I fall on video, just call 911. Actually, you don't know our address, and I'm pretty sure you have to have the address, so never mind. And you're just YouTube people, so you might call. Never mind. I'm not giving you ideas. So, step. Oh, and make sure to subscribe to JoJo Siwa on YouTube. Either on the channel JoJo Siwa Unlocked or her main channel, it's JoJo Siwa, whichever one. She has quite a few, but those are the only two I know. Like, she'll be happy, just telling you. And then leave a comment that said that Forever Allie told you to subscribe. I don't know, why would you listen to me? Nobody even does that on my channel. Alright, I'm gonna run. Ugh! Oh, I'm weak. Oh! My legs are weak. My arms are weak. Here are the trucks, house, sky. It almost feels like my heart is pounding in the back of my head. Because when it really starts pounding, it feels like it's in my head. Like, I don't know, it doesn't take much to get it going like that. Regular heart rate 71. This heart rate, I have no idea. I think I just found some talc or talc, however you pronounce it. I know there's some in the back, but no, that's not it. It didn't break. I can make like makeup and baby powder with that, so I'm gonna go look in the back. Huh, I never noticed that sign. It says speed limit 30. Let's see how far I can chuck it. This is rake. I hate raking. Oh. I wonder if I'm strong enough or if I can just knock it over. I hate you! Oh, here's all the talc or talc I was talking about. It's all crushed. I can still... I'm gonna go inside, I think, and collect some of this so I can make it into stuff. And I'll do another video of me making stuff. But for now, this is Forever Allie. Bye!